In this exercise, we'll solve a formula. The formula is A equals 2 pi RH, and we want to solve this for R, which means that we want to get R alone on one side. Now, I look at 2 pi RH, and I can think of that, if I want to, as 2 pi h times R. When I multiply these together, I get 2 pi RH. So to get R alone, if I divide by 2 times pi times h, I will accomplish that. So let's divide both sides by 2 pi h. So we have A over 2 pi h is equal to 2 pi RH. And I'm dividing this by 2 pi h as well. And on the left-hand side, I get just what I have written here now, A over 2 pi h, and that is equal to R. So we've solved this formula for R.